Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to access PX on iOS devices. First, you need to open Safari web browser on your iOS device. Second, you will need to paste the link that was given to you by the PatientXpress staff for your PatientXpress dashboard. You will now see the PatientXpress dashboard logon screen. Before we go ahead and log in, let's add it to our home screen for easier access. Just click on the middle icon indicated on the screen. After doing so, select Add to Home Screen button. Apply necessary changes and hit the Add button on the upper right of your screen. After hitting the Add button, we should now see the new icon available on our home screen. From there, you can now go ahead and access it. And that's it. You are now able to access PatientXpress dashboard on your iOS device in just 2 quick steps. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.